Today is a tutorial on how to fix problem when it won't charge or you think its battery is dead on a model GT-P5113, either TS or other models. It's 16 gigabyte Samsung Galaxy 2 tab. Here's a tutorial. So the problem is when you plug this to outlet wall, it has this message and then restarts again. You have this light and then small partial battery start charging and restarts. This is a repaired one, and that's why you're probably not going to see restarts, but whenever it restarts, this is the fix. And I got a full charge, so we're going to unplug this right now since this unit is fully charged, so I was able to repair it. I will going to show you how to fix this issue. We're going to need to have a small card just like this. A thinner is better. If you have like credit cards, it will work, but if you have something thinner and stronger, it's better. So here's the tutorial. The glass itself in the system and top plate is removable from the glass. I don't have an extra hand to show you, but since I'm already partially removed this, so it's easy to show you. So that's where you guys going to start, or girls, folks, whoever are gonna help with my feet, because that way I can do it. So here's what you do. You grab your card, and right here it's easy to insert, or somewhere over here. That's the charger port. So you insert like this and drive. As you go with the thick card, those things going to pop up. As soon as you get that done, you slide your card partially inside and work around this way, just like that. Try to not force and not break anything. Sorry, there's lots of noise in the background. I got people over here watching all kind of stuff downstairs. So as soon as you get into open everything, you might have a problem opening the camera port side. It has this piece of plastic in there, this one right here, so am I going to be prevent to do this easier. So my few tabs are gonna get damaged, but it's only a few, like I said. They still has ability to hooks. It's right there, so they kind of hook it up around really easy. Anyway, when you get to this what am I jiggy behind thing and your tablet is dead, locate for this little pin and use a small screwdriver to pinch it one side up and this side up. From both sides you lift this battery port charger. I don't know what's wrong with this phone, it won't record anything, so I don't know. If you want me to remove it I would, but I wouldn't remove it because I don't need it. It's easy to remove it. From this side you go with one, or you can use needle or anything that is thin. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to show you. Okay, we're going to use this screwdriver. The reason I want to do this, I want to just show you exactly what to do. So just like that, no harm. You can do from both sides. As soon as you raise this up, try to short all the pins. I use the knife or scissors, kind of short them all to reset. Then place your charger back and push it. That's it. Voila, your tablet is repaired. So next thing, use this case to apply it back, just like that. Make sure it's nice and straight. And just push it all the way around as you opened it. Voila, last moments of the truth. This is on the back, doesn't want to close it. It is, we'll close it. There you go. Now we're going to test it. So it won't start, it won't charge, it won't start. It's reboot on the charge, and now it's a final part. So Galaxy Tab 2, voila. So if you're a kid, don't try to break it. Ask your parents, legal guardians, to help you. It's still loading, probably all reset. There you go. It does has version of another language or so, and it's fully charged, and it's worked as a charm. Alright folks, thanks for watching. This was a repair guide again for the model GT-P5113TS. Reboot on start or not start at all. Thanks for watching.